lots of ways that we can follow to promote our affiliate link through our videos. Let me select a link. Okay, this is our affiliate link for the Hostinger. Okay, so this is the app link. I mean affiliate link. So if you promote this link through YouTube or other social media, your account will be hampered due to their policy. But we can just make a masking process or a short link process. So one is short link and another is masking. So I prefer masking. Short link is just a short link website. It's like a Bitly or another platform. You just have to put their link and they will send you a short link. But I don't prefer this because it doesn't have any branding. So I always prefer definitely a brand name. So masking should be like this. I mean, this is a main website, right? So I will add something inside our domain. Let's say a double T and double G or single T is fine. Okay, hostinger.com. And it won't hamper anything about the branding. Sometimes the company who trademark this name, but we just rename this name so it won't hamper anything. Okay, so I'll just redirect this link whenever people actually go this link because we will promote this link next time. Okay, whenever people go this link, they will actually redirect to this link, and this link actually redirect to ultimately this link. Okay, so in the OpenAI, they will see this one. So it's like a Hostinger, but it's not Hostinger. And the backend will masking that link with this one. Okay, it's a simple process. So I'll buy a domain from Namecheap. You can buy domain from anywhere. It can be Namecheap, Namesilo, or GoDaddy. It's your call. And there are lots of cheap domain right now because it's a Black Friday time. But also you don't have to always buy the .com domain because it's totally expensive as far as I know. Even though there are lots of money in affiliate marketing, so $10 or 20 or $10 or $15 investment is not a big deal, I think so. So it totally depends on you. If you don't have budget, then you can start with .info domain or .icu or .online, anything you will start, or XYZ. Those domain price are only $2 or $1. But I always prefer definitely their main domain process. So these are .com. If the main site is .io, then definitely I will start with .io. But their main site is .com. So I prefer .com. So let's buy this domain, and after that I will masking with this affiliate link. Okay, so let's start. So I already log in to one of my account, and this is the coupon code. Let's go to the domain search. Let's try. We need to check that is this domain available or not. Maybe not. Oh, it's a premium domain, so we can't use it. But you can do another way. So Stinger, yeah, it's available. So even we can just go with this one. So this is the coupon code. If you can see coupon code from their website, you can a lot of coupon code in the online, or there's a Chrome extension called Honey. You just set up their Chrome extension in your Chrome browser and you will find this one. And let me show you this way. Let's say I just want to click on the add to cart and go checkout process. Yeah, Honey will be open. So I can just click on this, but the price will be maybe $1 to $2 or $3, but I need more. So that's what I'll just take this advantage. So $7.67. Fine. So I'll put this one. So I'll go for it. Auto renew is fine. Oh, okay, now it's successful. So I can go to my account and just set up everything. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up masking, and through the masking, you can in the backend, you can just set up this affiliate link. Whenever people actually go this link, I mean this domain, because I'll promote this URL directly in my video or social media bio or social media post. We cannot actually promote this link. It's not possible. Your social media account will be hampered, even your YouTube account. So that's what we have to do in this way or in a short link way. But short link sometimes actually platform don't accept. Even short links, the link is actually totally ugly. So that's what I will prefer masking, and that's my way. And I'll show you in the next video. Thank you guys.